guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're doing another Universal Yum unboxing, and as always I'm so excited, so let's jump right into it. Hey, it's Cassjcass and welcome back to my channel. Let's catch up. Subscribe for more. Last time we did the all around the world Christmas box, we did have some Ukrainian snacks, and today this whole box is dedicated to Ukraine. So let's start. The first one we're going to start with is going to be that homemade bread chips with Cassjcass. Okay, so this is what's inside the box. I know I'm not showing it in that video, but please always make sure to read all the ingredients that's on there, because if you're allergic to something or there is something you don't eat, don't try it, please. It is like, it gives you like that bread, like, you know when you burn your toast and then that bread is so hard, that's what it gives, and then plus flavor. Actually, not even that. It's the thing, croutons. Yes, that's the word. It tastes like croutons, not burnt bread. So I like croutons, but I don't know yet. So far I don't know yet. The next one we're trying out is crostata with black currant. That's how it looks. It's like a little pie and this little thing. That's cute. It's good. I love the bready part of it, like the doughy part of it, but it's sweet, super sweet. The next one we're trying out is called the golden chips wasabi. Oh, that is like a 10 layer. Let's see. This is good. So because of the wasabi, of course it's spicy, a little spicy honestly, but it is good. This is pretty good snacks. Okay, so far so good. The next one we're trying out is a sponge cake with condensed milk. So the sponge cake is just like a little cake. I'm just gonna cut half of it because it won't come out, but that's how it is. And then the condensed milk, I'm guessing, is like inside of it. So let's try. I don't know. It doesn't taste bad, but I don't think that's something I would like go spend my money on just to have snacks. Next one we're trying is Choco. I don't know if they say Coco or Choco Shocks. Alright, so it's chocolate covered wafer bar with cookie crumbs. That sounds good. Alright. That is really good. Our last but not least is our Yum Bag that has chewing sweets in it. It's a soft candy with bubblegum flavor. And Trisitron glazed sweets, which is chocolatey bites with creamy lemon filling. These are the chewing sweets. And then these are the Trisitron. The chewing sweets, how it looks, it's a little like light blue color. Yeah, under my mouth it gives me marshmallow vibes, and then it tastes like bubblegum. This is the Trisitron chocolate covered bite with lemon filling. This is so sweet. Oh my god. I can't finish it. That was the sweetest thing I've ever okay, that's a 0 because I don't want to do this to myself. Now that we're done, let's rank them from 1 to 7. Starting with the 7th one, that was the Trisitron. It was just, I don't know, I couldn't even bite into it. And trust me, like, I have a sweet tooth. It just, not for this. This was like pure sugar mixed with chocolate and with a little lemon. So that is our 7th one, because it doesn't even, yeah, that's it. Coming in 6th place was the sponge cake, just because it felt so basic. It's like, it wasn't giving, okay? It felt just like I'm eating bread with sugar at this point. So that's our 6th one. Coming in 5th place was these crouton chips. That's what I'm gonna call them. were these croutons, because again, it just croutons to me. It just tastes like croutons. It feels like croutons. I'm probably gonna put them in some, like, a good salad and eat them off, okay? Coming in 4th place was this crostata with black currant. I like the surrounding part of it, but again, I don't know. I don't think that's for me. I love pie. I love me a good apple pie. But it just, yeah, it's coming in 4th, so not too bad.